I'm getting in again. I'm getting in. I'm buying some more.
3, 2, 1, 0, and lift off.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torn, and today we're going to be talking once again about Safemoon. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over what Safemoon is all about, why it has been pumping over the last week, how you guys can actually purchase it, how you guys can sell it for a profit, but most importantly, we're going to be going over the benefits of holding it. Now, I made a video just under a week ago talking about Safemoon, and it has absolutely popped off. It now has over 25,000 views and continues to rise every day. If you guys want to be early to the party, get in early on these coins, or at least hear about them early, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button so others like you can see my channel. And without further ado, let's dive into Safemoon. So before getting into the actual deep dive on the company, I just want to pull up the GoSwap chart right now. Safemoon absolutely hit an all-time high of the 0.00000002 way back when on the 17th of March, and had since dumped. We could see that whales were taking some profit, but since then it has seen steady rise up until that point, and we can see it is trying to break that resistance here. So today I will be purchasing more of this because I do feel that once it breaks through that resistance, we will see a huge jump. Checking out Safemoon on CoinMarketCap, we can see that the token is 38% up on 24 hours with a trading volume of almost $9 million, up 50%. Now, I have seen Safemoon on the most visited coin on CoinMarketCap here, so it is very hot right now. With that being said, you can see the chart on CoinMarketCap. It is climbing to that resistance once again, and we may see it go all the way to the moon. All right, so we're on Safemoon's website right here, and we will be headed safely to the moon. We will remember this 11% slippage mark, but continuing down the website, we can see that it is 100% community owned. There is automatic LP. We're going to check it out on PancakeSwap here. That gets locked inside, and they have static rewards. So very important to note that static reward. We'll dive into it in a second. But as we scroll down, we can see that there are now 54,000 holders of the coin. Now, this is very exciting because the coin hasn't even been launched on any of the major platforms, and we can see that it isn't coming until Q3. So we're just exiting Q1 right now and the launch. So it is very exciting to see that this may go literally to the moon. So we are on the white paper for Safemoon here, and I'm not going to bore you by going through each and every sentence here, but there are a very few important things to note. First, Safemoon has chosen to go with static rewards. Now, they feel it solves a host of problems, with the majority being the downward sell pressure put on the token caused by earlier adopters selling their tokens after farming crazy high APYs. So second, the reflect mechanism encourages holders to hang on into their tokens to garner higher kickbacks, which are based upon percentages carried about dependent on the tokens which are held by the owner. So in theory, with this manual burn function and depreciating supply, even a small holder at the beginning could potentially walk away with a big money at the end of the token's lifespan. So that's a lot of technical jargon, which basically just leads into this chart here. So as the supply gets burnt up and bought up, the price will continue to go to the moon. Now, they have manual burns, and very important to note, the automatic LP. So in theory, the added LP creates a stability from the supplied LP by adding the tax to the overall liquidity of the token, thus increasing the token's overall LP and supporting the price floor of the token. And all of this is an effort to alleviate some of the troubles we have seen with the current DeFi reflection tokens. So some of the tokenomics here, but most important to note is that the 10% taxed fee on selling is split two ways. So 5% of the fee is redistributed to all existing holders, which means when a huge whale sells, 5% of their fee is redistributed to everyone currently holding Safemoon. The other 5% fee is split 50-50. Half is sold by the contract into BNB, while the other half is Safemoon tokens to be paired automatically with the previous mentioned BNB and added as a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap. Now they have a great protocol to ensure 100% safety with everything they're doing here. And as we can see the roadmap here, as we end Q1, we have seen a pump twice with the coin without even it being listed on multiple exchanges. This is where I think it will continue to pump once it hits these larger exchanges, but we still have a few months for that to happen. All right, so with that knowledge, we know the benefits of holding on. It means that every time someone sells, we get more of that token and more is burnt up, which means each of them are worth more. But let's get into the meat and potatoes about how you guys can actually purchase this step by step and how you can sell it when you decide to take a proper profit. First and foremost, you have to remember that this is a token traded on the Binance network. So you will have to have a Binance account. Now, to all of my USA friends, you will have to use a VPN. I do have a link to a VPN software you can download below, but this will ensure you can purchase this token through your MetaMask wallet. Now, your first order of business is to open a Binance account. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, I also have a link down in the description for you guys to open that. The link will save you on trading fees, so why not use it? Once you have opened your account, there are many ways to fund it. I have another video on how you can fund your Binance account. But with that being said, we will go into your wallet, fiat and spot, and we will find the BNB. So you will want to fund your Binance account with BNB, and you're going to go withdraw. Whether you have MetaMask or Trust Wallet, it does not matter. I have two articles here: how to send and receive BNB on the smart chain with your Trust Wallet, or how to connect your MetaMask on the Binance smart chain. So both of them are very simple, but as we can see here, the main network is the Ethereum network for your MetaMask. We will have to trade. We will have to transfer it on the Binance smart chain. So if this isn't automatically inside your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you will have to set this up. It's not hard. It's just a custom RPC, and then each of these websites here give you the proper networks URL here, chain ID symbol. So that works for both the Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Either one is fine, whichever you prefer. I am indifferent. I use MetaMask just because that's the one I started with. But by all means, choose whichever you would like. Once our MetaMask is connected to our Binance Smart Chain, we're going to copy our clipboard right here and dive back into Binance. Inside Binance, this is where we deposit the address. You know what? I don't have much BNB, but I think this is the perfect time to buy some more Safemoon. So I'm just going to quickly swap some of my Ethereum for BNB. All right, here. So I'm not too worried about the price. So I'm just going to swap all of my Ether here and buy BNB on the market. So it should go through absolutely instantly. There we go. The market buy is fulfilled. We're just going to make sure we have that in our wallet. And so, perfect. It was swapped there. So we will withdraw. And now we will paste our MetaMask wallet right here. Copy that. We'll paste that in there. We're going to make sure that we are transferring this on the Binance Smart Chain, the BSC, not the BNB. And we're going to do our max BNB. We're going to click submit. You'll have to go through this process, but you're going to send your codes. And our withdrawal is submitted. So now I've done this multiple times, but it should take less than, I don't know, let's say 5 minutes for it to get into your MetaMask, and we will follow up then. All right, just like that, we've refreshed a couple times, and it is now in our Smart Chain wallet. So let's get into purchasing this. Well, we are currently on the Safemoon website. All we have to do is click this button. Now, because we are already logged into the Smart Chain in our MetaMask, everything should work out properly. we are redirected to PancakeSwap. I'm going to give it just a second to load in my MetaMask and the token imported. I'll click I understand. I'll continue that. As we can see up in the right, it is connected to my MetaMask. I'm going to select my max BNB, as I can see here, for Safemoon. With that, I set my slippage tolerance to 12%. I'm then going to hit the swap button. I'm going to confirm this swap. It's going to confirm through my MetaMask. And just like that, the transaction is submitted. Easy peasy. So now you own Safemoon, but where do you find it? Well, I have already added this token to my MetaMask, but you might not have it. So with that being said, you will click these three little buttons here and you're going to view in Explorer. I'm not going to show this part because it has a ton of confidential information for myself. You're going to scroll down, you're going to see BEP-tokens. You're going to click on that and you're going to see your Safemoon token there. You're going to click Safemoon. It's going to give you a contract address on the right hand side. You're going to copy that contract address. You're then going to pull up your Smart Chain wallet here. You're going to go down, add token, custom token, add your contract address. It's going to pull it up. You're going to click next. Boom, it's in your wallet. You now have Safemoon. Easy peasy. There's your Safemoon. So how do you sell Safemoon? Well, it is the exact same process, but just in the opposite direction. So instead of buying BNB or swapping BNB for Safemoon, we're going to switch it here. So we're going to swap Safemoon max amount for BNB, and then you will approve. This is the exact same process. I am not going to do it because I'm going to hold on to my Safemoon, but it's the exact same process going opposite, and then you can send your BNB out of your MetaMask like this. You click that and then you click send and you just send it back to your Binance account. Easy as that. You take your profits, you walk away, you subscribe to Torrent's channel because he knew about this quite early, and we move on from there. All right, guys, this video has gone on long enough. I hope you got a ton of value from it. If you did, make sure to like it, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, take care.